So the other day, I was meeting with a client who's an extreme introvert, right? Who's camera shy, but wanted some tips on how to show up so he can establish his brand. So I want to share these tips with anyone else who's an introvert. Make sure you watch this video to learn exactly those tips that I shared with him. So camera engagement and shooting video is a great way to interact and to create an experience for people who are viewing and looking to learn something, and to increase the opportunities of you landing customers and clients and building a relationship. So 4 ways to do it is: 1, you can take the role of asking questions. So like in your videos, you can ask a question, or you can write a question down and act as if you're being interviewed, and then you can answer those questions in the camera. All right, that's one way. Another way you can do it is you can share a relevant story to, your ideal client that would be relevant to people you want to watch your videos. That's another way to do it. And then another way is to share tips or strategies to someone who is your ideal client that you would want to give advice to. So you can take the role of saying, hey, so I know you're looking to learn, or if you're someone looking to learn X, Y, and Z, and you can literally share that advice that you would give to your ideal customer or client, or who your videos or your content is geared towards attracting. And then lastly, what you can do is you can literally talk about what you're doing, like sharing experiences, walking through like vlog style, where you're literally giving insights on a book or something you're learning. So for him, it could be, hey guys, I'm somebody who is an introvert, and I wanted to share some tips that I learned with my coach on how to overcome that. So it's like reverse engineering this, and that's going to help you create an organic conversation, which is going to add that much more belief and structure to your videos. That's going to allow you to get them to your inbox or to your email, and to follow for more information that you're doing, because it's as if they're talking to a friend and not a salesperson. If you found value in this video, make sure you comment below. Thanks for watching. Create, build, sustain in all you do. This is your boy Vince. Create, build, sustain in everything.